Hey, what's up guys, I'm Ryan. Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. In this video I want to show you the Navitel R1000 Dashcam. This dashcam has a very unique design, a very futuristic design, alongside with some nice built-in features like GPS, Wi-Fi. Of course, it's a full HD dashcam. Before we go into this video, please guys, hit that subscribe button. It really helps this channel to grow, really helps me out, and of course leave it a thumbs up if you like this video. So you guys know the drill. Sit back, relax and enjoy. And there you have it guys, the box of the Navitel R1000, a very futuristic design. As you can see, I'll leave a link in the description so you can have a look. Let's open the box. I'll speed the video up and later on I'll show you the specs and of course the footage of this camera. This camera comes with 12 months license for Navitel Navigator, free gift. On the side of the box there's some specs. Full HD 1080p of course, 165 degree view angle, 6-layer glass lens, Wi-Fi built-in. It can take up to 64 gigs of SD card, motion sensor and GPS. On the other side of the box there's some pictures of the camera, 360 degrees rotation, and on the back of the box there's the package contents. Okay, let's have a look what's inside. Wow, let me show you this. Look at this guys, this is the dash cam. Wow, it's like a rubber touch feeling. Amazing. Very impressed. Very impressed indeed. Moving on, there's the support mount, a permanent adhesive mount. I'll go back to it in a minute. In the box you also find a cleaning cloth and some accessories, mini USB lead to connect the camera to your computer, and the long card charger by Navitel as well. There's also another sticker, some literature, a gift voucher like I mentioned before, a user manual in several languages including English. This camera has Wi-Fi. You can use it with an app on your phone to check the videos, get a live view of the camera, live feed. Navitel offers 24 months warranty for this dashcam. Let me show the camera in detail and the mount. So this is a magnetic mount. The camera sticks to the mount like so and allows the camera to rotate 360 degrees. The power will stay plugged to the mount. If you need to remove the camera, just take the camera out. It's an amazing design, very smart indeed. You can point the camera up and down a bit. Yeah, amazing. Look at this, so small, very futuristic. At the bottom of the camera you'll find some buttons, the menu buttons up and down and OK. On the side of the camera there's the power button and the microphone hole, and on the other side there's a flap for the SD card and a connector to plug the camera into your computer. Spec wise, this camera works as a normal dash camera, so it starts automatically recording when there's power and vice versa, has a G sensor, GPS antenna built in, Wi-Fi, has motion detection and parking mode. Let's turn the R1000 on. On the back of the camera you have a screen 1.22 inches. This is not a touch screen, you need to use the buttons to operate with the menus. As you can see, the GPS is now red because I'm indoors, but outside it will look like this, showing how many satellites are you connected to. And enough with this boring talk, let's finally have a look at some footage. And there you have it guys, the Navitel R1000 footage in 1080p. Let me know in the comments what you think about the quality of the footage. In my honest opinion, I think it's pretty good. The wide view angle of this camera, it's amazing. Look at this junction here, you can see everything. The sky is a bit on the overexposed side. Let me show you the file details. Okay, this is an MP4 file. The bitrate is around 12 megabits. The codec is H.264 and the 3 minutes file takes up to, around 260 megabytes. On the bottom left side of the screen there's information about the camera model, date, time, GPS location and your speed. All this can be removed in the settings. Let me show you now some footage in 720p. I don't know who will use this, but I'll show you anyway, because I can. And there you have it guys, 720p footage from this dash cam. This type of footage work as a dynamic range test. It was a very bright day and the sun was shining direct on the camera. We can see the difference between dark scenes like shadows and lighter scenes. Again, like 1080p footage we've seen before, the sky was a bit overexposed, but we can see perfectly the other cars on the road, even when the sun is shining. Yeah, I think the camera does a good job in this situation. Let me just really quick show you the file details of this 720p file. As you can see, the bitrate is around 7 megabits and the file size is 160 megabytes, so you'll fit more footage in the same memory card. Saying that, let's move to the next test, which is the night footage. I'm going to show you the menus while I'm driving and I'll let you guys decide what you think about the footage during nighttime. Alright, let me show you now a junction between two clips. This means it's when a 3-minute clip, for example, ends and another one starts. What happens with some dash cameras, the gap between two clips is too much and we lose some footage. Pay attention now to the background noise. I don't know if you noticed, that was another clip starting. So no gap whatsoever, no footage was lost, which is obviously very good. And that's it guys, let's wrap this video. The Navitel R1000 review, an amazing futuristic design dash camera, Full HD with GPS and Wi-Fi. I really hope you guys like this video. If you do so, please leave it a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the subscribe button, because I do have some more videos for you, more tech reviews, not just dash cams. Stay tuned for that. I really hope I can see you all in the next one. Thank you very much for watching.